Hello, happy Wednesday. So my name is Sarah Page. I'm the owner of SAP Virtual Resources. We're a virtual accounting firm. We offer accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll to small, mid-size businesses, including our specialty is contractors in the construction area. So I have over 25 years experience in private corporate, everything from newspaper advertising to janitorial supplies, and last but not least, over a decade in construction. So I am hoping that that will help you with the information that I'm sharing. So this week, I think, is the last week I have things to cover for payroll, and I want to discuss fringe benefits. So a lot of people, unless they're working with certified payrolls, don't think of fringe benefits. Certified payrolls, that's a whole nother game, and it's a very unique thing, mainly to the construction industry, where you have to pay a certain rate and you have to take into account the benefits that you provide. So, what falls under fringe benefits? Basically, anything that's provided to an employee. That will be bonuses, that will be vacation and sick time, that can be meals that the company provides, unless the meal is provided for the employer's benefit. So, if there is a lot of projects coming up, a lot of deadlines coming up, and it's just easier to have everybody stay on site and work or stay late than providing the food is for the employer's benefit. So that would not be something that would be taxable and added to the employee's W-2 at year end. Most health insurance doesn't, it is a fringe benefit, but it's usually not taxable as long as it's set up as a Cat A plan. And personal use of company vehicles. That is also something that should be tracked and added to the W-2 at year end. One that people don't think about is anniversary bonuses. So your 5-year, your 10-year, your 15-year, those also are to be added to the W-2 at year end. Gift cards given out for the holidays. Gym memberships. That was one that actually I just was looking into. So how you might calculate some of these. Let's say you get a gym membership and offer it to all your employees, and you have 100 and some employees. So maybe because you bought 100 memberships, you got a discount, but it's taxed, it's added to the employee's W-2 as the cost of a regular adult membership. So these are things that some people don't think about, especially in the small businesses where you're helping your employees or you're offering extra benefits to try to get interest in your company. That's the main reason that benefits have been offered, is it's a way to attract new hires to your business. Not all fringe benefits are as helpful to everyone. Health insurance, if it's a single person that doesn't get sick very often, they're not going to use it as much as maybe a young family with a couple of young kids. Because we know kids pick up everything at daycare and school and see the doctor much more frequently. So you want to be cautious about what you are offering as benefits, because if you're offering a benefit that really only a small handful of the employees really find useful, what is the reason you're offering it? Could it be considered a discrimination where only one certain category of employees is making use of it? It can be a very confusing thing. I recommend going on the IRS website and searching, or if you want to set up a time to talk and we can talk through your particular circumstance and see what needs to be added to that W-2 at year end, what doesn't need to be added. And it always is helpful if you're bringing on employees and you have these benefits in place, that you're letting the employees know ahead of time rather than it being a surprise on their W-2. Because if they're comparing their last paycheck to their W-2 and all of a sudden you've added all these extra things that they did not realize were going to be taxed on their W-2 or added as a taxable income on their W-2, they're not going to be happy. So that's always better to be upfront with that. If you have any questions, please reach out. Let's set up a time to talk. And if you have any other payroll questions that you think I should talk about and answer, if there's enough interest in certified payrolls and Davis-Bacon and prevailing wages, I'm happy to discuss that too. But that gets even more into the weeds in the payroll for a majority of people. So have a great Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you next week.